This is Bob Davis 321 showing my 8x16by16 LED array TV modified into the LED display. That's falling. That's plasma. This is big text. Small text. Balls. Diagonal. And fire. What I've done is I've taken a old TV. It still says Vizio down in the corner. Taken out the diffuser. Glued the displays to the diffuser using an SP801E controller. Have power wires going to 30 amp connectors up to a 60 amp power supply. That's powering it up. And so that's how I rebuilt a TV into a LED display. How's that for neat?